Did you know your everyday computer habits can actually help save the planet? That's the power of green computing. Using technology in ways that protect our environment. Imagine if every click we make could help the earth. It reduces electronic waste, it saves energy, and it builds a sustainable future for everyone. Even the smallest changes in how we use technology can create a big impact on our world. Easy actions have a significant impact. Make use of energy saving gadgets. Recycle outdated electronics. Additionally, whenever possible, go paperless. Every action matters. And if we work together, we can make technology more intelligent and environmentally friendly. Let's work together to make technology more environmentally friendly. Begin modestly, go green, be wise, join the movement for a cleaner, more promising future.